Good morning, Cagayan de Oro City, city of golden friendship. This is Motorev, revving your day with my delivery adventure. Eto na naman tayo, delivery time na naman. Today is a very special day. As you've noticed, our footage has changed. It's really nice. It's crisp, it's sharp, and vivid. Wala nang unboxing. Marami nang nag-unboxing review sa YouTube. At hindi naman magbabago ang laman nito kung i-unboxing review pa natin. Wala na ring intro. Lahat sila may intro. Straight to the point na tayo. So several days back, I bought this GoPro Hero 9 Black. Thanks Green Kitchen for the sponsorship. Well, this is indeed a very nice advanced birthday gift. Teka, ang ibig bang sabihin nun, wala na ako matatanggap sa birthday ko? Pasensya na guys kung ngayon ko lang na-upload. Medyo di ko pa kasi gamay ang GoPro eh. Pagbigyan nyo na, first time eh. I've tested out the new GoPro Hero 9 Black. I don't know if there are other colors like blue, yellow, or pink. But that would be cool. Well, since this is my first GoPro, I'm not going to compare it to its previous models or to other counterparts. I will just share to you my experience with it and perhaps give my opinion about it. So basically, I'm gonna show you guys how the GoPro look in real life. Para namang hindi real life yung ibang reviews ano. Right now, I am in 1080p resolution in 60 frames per second with a super view lens mode mounted on my chest. And of course, Hyper Smooth 3.0 is on. So anong masasabi nyo? Okay ba? What can you say about the video quality? Well, I think it's really smooth. Buttery smooth as they say. Lahat ng camera modes and settings nitong GoPro ko ay nakaset sa 1080p resolution guys. Kasi nga, trinay ko lahat ng computer sa bahay. Ay, teka muna. Teka. Isa lang palang computer ko. Let me say it again. I tried playing at 2K resolution on my computer and it's not working. 4K pa kaya? At alam kong may 5K tong camera na to. But what will I do with the 5K kung di naman mape-play sa computer ko, di ba? Naman na. So, lahat nakaset sa 1080. For a regular user such as I think okay naman na din. Gaya ng pagbabanking, wag nang pilitin kung di talaga kaya. Yaan mo na sila. I also tried other lens setting gaya ng linear horizon leveling. Ito yung kahit anong banking na gawin mo, ang horizon ay mananatiling straight at level. Super ganda ng mode na to. Ang sarap talagang paglaruan mga lens mode and just choose which you like most. Ganun. This is also a sample video of a time-lapse chest mounted. Grabe guys, kahit sementado itong daanan na to, in actual, super bouncy pa rin. Parang di nila na level ng maayos. Pero, wala kang makikitang kahit konting bounce sa video. Gaya ng sabi nila, para ka lang din may gimbal. Kaya sobrang ganda. Sobrang smooth ng footage. Kung microphone sound naman ang pag-uusapan, well, it's not for a motovlogger unless you have an external microphone. Then, sync it with your video on post-production. Pwede naman ganun. Or if you're only running 20 to 30 kilometers per hour, the wind sound reduction capability of the camera is good. Or kung ang motovlog mo ay puro video lamang at walang nagsasalita, ay pwede rin. And lastly, as what I'm doing, voice over muna tayo. Well, it has been raining here in Cagayan de Oro almost every day for several days now. And we're lucky na naabutan tayo ng ulan while doing our delivery. Ayun, na-test tuloy yung pagiging waterproof nito. Actually, up to 10 meters waterproof ang GoPro guys. That's about 32 feet. Kung di mo pa rin maintindihan, that is about a 3-story building. As in 3 floors. So kung recreation scuba diver ka, then you can use the GoPro without the waterproof casing. At para sa ating mga motovloggers, kahit na mag-weekend rides tayo at maabutan man tayo ng ulan, we don't have to worry anything about it. Safe tayo kahit walang proteksyon. At sabi ni GoPro, kahit snow pwede to. Buti na lang walang snow sa atin. Isa lamang ang hindi ko nagustuhan sa camera na to. Puno na agad memory ng computer ko. Para sa mga bago sa channel na to, I usually upload videos every week about my delivery adventures and anything about when I'm on my bike. Subscribe naman kayo. Sige na, libre naman eh. Walang bayad. Konting time lang. Thank you. Wala na rin tayong outro-outro. Agad.